it's Gina with WTI, and I'm absolutely in love with these boho curtains from DUIDY. I really wanted to freshen up this corner in our RV with something bright and cheerful. I really like that these let in a lot of light, so it keeps things bright, but it is enough to block out some of the view so that I can have privacy as well. I got the 84-inch length because I am a seamstress and I wanted to split them up so that I could cover 2 windows with just 2 panels, and I love the way that they turned out. They also look really good full length in my bedroom as curtains for our closet. I just love the tassels on them. I think that they're so cute because they're not overdone, but they give you that nice boho or farmhouse look. I love the texture of these. You can tell that they're high quality and they hang really nicely. It has a really pretty flow to it as they move that I just think is beautiful. If you're looking to freshen up the look in your home, you can't go wrong with a set of these boho curtains, and that's my point of view.